In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to perform system tract interpretation with the SSIS plugin. This exercise assumes that you are familiar with some sequence stratigraphy terminations, such as transgression and transgressive system tract or TST, normal regression and high stand or low stand system tract, HST and LST, and also forced regression and falling stage system tract or FST. The sequence stratigraphic models in OpendTect. Each model has its own name, color code, base level phase, top surface name, and top surface color. You can also make your own model if you press the Add Model button. Add inline 425. Activate a HorizonCube. We suggest to use a truncated HorizonCube. If you intend to study depositional shifts, we recommend a selection of a truncated HorizonCube. Display the HorizonCube on the inline 425. Add a Wheeler scene. From the Scene tab, select 3D. Add the same line number with the same seismic volume. You can change the view or the scene to a vertical. Open the SSIS window by clicking on this icon. An interpretation window will open with the familiar HorizonCube sliders on the left side. Interpretation column, base level, curve. Open the sequence model selection window by pressing this icon. View the option of sequence models available. For this exercise, the default model would be the positional sequence IV. Close this window when you have finished viewing the options. To begin your interpretation, you will use the HorizonCube sliders. Slide the top slider all the way to the bottom while co-visualizing the Wheeler and the normal scenes. Slowly drag the top slider up until you find a breaking point that would indicate a different system tract. Position the top slider where you intend to insert a boundary. Press the Insert button, which just above the top slider, and this will insert a boundary in the stratigraphic column, like this. Right-click in the middle of the package that you added and assign the system tract. The selected system tract will be assigned. By repeating these steps, the entire stratigraphic column can be interpreted and the system tract are assigned. Now, you may want to overlay the inline with the interpreted system tract in both scenes. With this, I conclude this exercise.